Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make easy lamb biryani. So let's get started. First of all I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are 5 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 onions, finely sliced, 200 grams, 7 ounces Greek or natural yogurt, 4 tablespoons finely grated ginger, 3 tablespoons finely grated garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 5 teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom seeds, 4 teaspoons sea salt, 1 lime, juice only, 30 grams, 1 ounce coriander leaves and stalks, finely chopped, 30 grams, 1 ounce mint leaves, finely chopped, 3 to 4 green chillies, finely chopped, 800 grams, 1 pound 12 ounces boneless lamb tenderloin or leg, cut into bite-sized pieces, 4 tablespoons double cream, 1.5 tablespoons full-fat milk, 1 teaspoon saffron strands, a large pinch, 400 grams, 14 ounces basmati rice, 2 tablespoons pomegranate seeds, to garnish, optional. Now the method is: Step 1. Heat the oil in a non-stick frying pan over a medium heat. Add the onions and stir-fry for 15 to 18 minutes, or until lightly browned and crispy. Step 2. Put half the onions in a non-metallic mixing bowl with the yogurt, ginger, garlic, chili powder, cumin, cardamom, half of the salt, the lime juice, half of the chopped coriander and mint and the green chilies. Stir well to combine. Set aside the remaining coriander and mint for layering the biryani. Step 3. Add the lamb to the mixture and stir to coat evenly. Cover and marinate in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours, or overnight if possible. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 240 C, fan 220 C, gas 0.9. Step 5. Heat the cream and milk in a small saucepan, add the saffron, remove from the heat and leave to infuse for 30 minutes. Step 6. Cook the rice in a large saucepan in plenty of boiling water with the remaining salt for 6 to 8 minutes, or until it is just cooked, but still has a bite. Drain the rice. Step 7. Spread half of the lamb mixture evenly in a wide, heavy-based casserole and cover with a layer of half the rice. Sprinkle over half of the reserved onions and half of the reserved coriander and mint. Sprinkle over half of the saffron mixture. Repeat with the remaining lamb, rice, onions, herbs and saffron mixture. Step 8. Cover with a tight-fitting lid, turn down the oven to 200 C, fan 180 C, gas 6 and cook for 1 hour. Remove and allow to stand for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. Garnish with pomegranate seeds if desired. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.